yeah, I forgot to mention, guys. What's up? We are outside of the car store, and we should discover Firework Marathon. So yeah, I'm just gonna record all these amazing and beautiful fireworks. I think this might go on until like 9 o'clock in the morning. Woo! That was a nice one. Woo! Double nuke. Bam. Whoa! Oh! That was right over my head! A firework that lit up right over my head! Oh, 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 oh! Yeah! Woo! It's only been 2 minutes now and they're already epic fireworks! I'm pretty sure these fireworks are illegal, but who gives a crap? These things are epic! Well, the cops won't arrest you if you do these fireworks if they're not bothering anybody. Right now it's just entertaining me. Holy crap! I think I'm gonna record 10 minutes of this. Oh, there's some fireworks going over there off in the distance. Oh, the show ain't over yet! Woo! You know what I love about 4th of July? It always entertains me. Oh, there's little firecrackers in the air! Little firecrackers in the air! Oh, oh, oh! I'm imagining after this is gonna be a big boom. Yeah! I knew it! Woo! Is that all of them? Nope. Oh, you probably can't see, but the entire sky is just on and got smoke all around it. Yeah! Don't tell me that's all. Yeah! Not over! Yeah! Is that all? We still got 4 minutes left, so is that all? Because I'm going to do a season finale firework. Not sure if that's all, but I'm still going to record for 10 minutes. Ah, smoke everywhere. This is how much smoke it is. Imagine there was like 250 barbecue cookouts. I think they're going on like, Uncle! You can't breathe, seriously? Best fireworks!
Too bad, is it?
Best fireworks ever! Let's see y'all later, guys.